Namaste. Welcome to Triyogam. Today we're going to learn about Trikonasana, triangle pose, in detail with the following key points. Meaning of the asana, steps with breathing, adjustments, benefits, contraindications and variations. Don't miss to watch this video till the end.
Meaning of the asana. Trikonasana. In Sanskrit, Trikona means triangle. Asana means pose. In English, it's called triangle pose. Steps with breathing. Feet together, shoulders rolled and back. Stand in Tadasana, hands on your waist. With exhalation, spread your legs sideways 3 to 3.5 feet and turn your right toes towards your right side. With inhalation, raise your right hand over the head, lengthen your arms. With exhalation, bend sideways from the pelvic, bringing the right palm beside the right outer edge of the feet. Now extend your left arm towards the ceiling while gazing slowly at the fingertip. Maintain the final position from 30 seconds to 1 minute without any strain. With inhalation, press through your legs and stand up straight with your right hand slowly above the head. With further exhalation, bringing the hands on your waist, close your legs together and relax in Shitila Tadasana. Adjustments of Trikonasana. Adjustment number 1. Spread your legs. Make sure your right toe pointing towards the right side at 90 degrees. Adjustment number 2. When you're bending sideways, try to bend from your pelvic region. Do not hunch your back. Adjustment number 3. Try to spread your collarbones and make sure your both arms are in the same line. Adjustment number 4. Your upper torso, your hips and your legs all are in same plane. Variations of Trikonasana. Variation number 1. Raise your right hand towards the ceiling. Bend from your waistline towards the sideways. Now try to bring your right palm on your ankle joint. Now slowly raise your left hand towards the ceiling while gazing at your fingertips. Maintain the final position from 30 seconds to 1 minute and slowly come back to initial position. Variation number 2. Raise your right hand towards the ceiling. Bend from your waist sideways. Now try to catch hold your right big toes and lengthen your left arm towards the ceiling while gazing at your fingertips. Maintain the final pose from 30 seconds to 1 minute and slowly come back to initial position. Variation number 3. Raise your left hand towards the ceiling. Twist your torso towards your right big toes. Bend from your waistline. Bring your left palm on your right ankle. Now slowly try to raise your right hand towards the ceiling. If possible, try to gaze at your right fingertips and maintain the final pose from 30 seconds to 1 minute and slowly come back to initial position. Benefits of Trikonasana. Number 1. Helps to reduce backaches and sciatica. Number 2. Strengthens ankles, knees, thighs and arms. Number 3. Stimulates abdominal organs. Number 4. Mobility to hip joint and neck. Contraindications of Trikonasana. This asana is strictly prohibited for people with chronic knee, neck and hip injuries, high or low blood pressure, diarrhea and migraine.
If you like our content in the video, hit the thumbs up. Share with your friends. Wanna say something? Comment below. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon.